Hello everyone, I just bought the iPhone 13 as a Christmas gift for my wife. This video will only focus on unboxing and a closer look at the beauty of the product rate. I bought this from Lazada during 12/12 sales for 3,000 ringgit 895, and it comes with a free USB-C 20-watt power adapter charger that costs 91 ringgit if I buy it separately. The iPhone 13 box is slimmer compared to iPhone XS, which my wife used to own before switching to this phone, which is highly likely due to the power adapter charger and earbuds no longer provided inside the box. I'm not a fan of red color, but I really like the little touch of personalization is done on this box, where four sides of it, the iPhone letters and Apple logo has the same color as the phone. Even I'm not a fan of red, looking at this red really makes the iPhone sexy. What do you think? Inside the box, this is a USB-C to Lightning cable. You can also find the color name printed on a nice square rounded edge paper. Flipping to the other side of the paper, it mentioned that some portion of the iPhone purchase will be donated to the Global Fund to support HIV programs. A SIM injector is provided along with product manuals and an Apple logo sticker. Now, let's check out the Apple 20-watt power adapter. I find having this retractable 3-pin is very practical, especially when you are traveling, because the normal 3 pins may slightly take more space and have the tendency to scratch or damage your bag or items in the same compartment. Here are some close-up shots of the iPhone 13 overall. What do you think of the product rate? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and looking forward to seeing you in my next videos.